In this video, we will explore common uses for plastic sheeting, which is often referred to as visqueen. It's important to note that most of the plastic sheeting discussed here is engineered plastic, made from virgin resins. Engineered plastic sheeting refers to plastic sheets that are specifically designed and manufactured using advanced engineering techniques, and not reground plastic like visqueen. Let's begin our journey into the versatile world of plastic sheeting.
Firstly, plastic sheeting is often used to create temporary shelters or protection during hurricanes or disasters. String-reinforced plastic is a popular choice, as it is stronger and can withstand wind better than non-reinforced plastic.
Another use for plastic sheeting is as coverings for outdoor equipment, wood piles, and furniture. Both string-reinforced and non-reinforced plastic can be used, with grommets and hems added to hold the plastic in place. We'd love for you to pay a visit to our fantastic website at www.globalplasticsheeting.com. It's a place where plastic wonders come to life. And hey, if you prefer the good all-human touch, just give us a ring at 866-597-9298. Our team is bursting with knowledge and positive vibes, ready to assist you with a smile. We've proudly been serving the world since 2007 as a certified small business. So why not join us on this plastic journey? We promise you'll be pleasantly surprised by our incredible staff and the expertise we bring to the table. Let's make your plastic dreams a reality together. Plastic sheeting is also used for recreational purposes, such as ice skating rinks and slip and slides. With the addition of special additives, plastic sheeting can be engineered for specific uses, and manufacturers can produce large or long rolls to serve these purposes. Remodeling projects often require closing off rooms to prevent dust and debris from spreading. Plastic sheeting, along with products like zip wall, can be used to seal off these areas and keep the rest of the space clean. Anti-static fire retardant plastic sheeting has a variety of applications where both fire safety and electrostatic discharge protection are crucial. Here are some common applications for this type of plastic sheeting. Anti-static fire retardant plastic sheeting is commonly used in electronics manufacturing and assembly areas. It helps prevent electrostatic discharge from damaging sensitive electronic components, which can cause malfunctions or permanent damage. Cleanrooms and laboratories require controlled environments where the risk of fire and electrostatic discharge needs to be minimized. Anti-static fire retardant plastic sheeting provides an added layer of protection to prevent static buildup and reduce the risk of fire hazards. It's also used in hazardous material storage facilities, event and exhibition spaces, and construction sites. Protecting flooring, carpeting, counters, and tubs can be achieved with adhesive plastic sheeting. Specially formulated adhesives ensure that the plastic sticks to the surface it's protecting without causing damage. Haunted houses require fire-retardant black plastic sheeting for several important reasons. Firstly, it ensures the safety of visitors by minimizing the risk of fire incidents. Well-known amusement parks trust our fire-retardant black plastic sheeting year after year for this very reason. Moreover, local fire authorities may require the use of fire-certified materials in haunted houses open to the public. Our plastic sheeting is tested and passes the NFPA 701-15 Test 1 fire test, providing the necessary certification. Additionally, black fire-retardant plastic sheeting is commonly used as blackout curtains in Halloween events, movie sets, and museums where fire safety is crucial. By choosing certified fire-retardant plastic, you can create a spooky atmosphere while ensuring the utmost safety.
Aquaponics systems can benefit from Ultra FGC, a specialized type of plastic sheeting that is food-grade compliant and engineered to be better for the environment and your business.